Okay, well, we made it. Sri Airlines brought us from Kathmandu to Pokhara after a delay, and we're at POMS. POMS apartment, right?
Luxury apartment.
POMS luxury. We know. So here it is. 2-bedroom. We got the kitchen here. Water is a nice touch, which we sometimes don't get, and electric burner. It comes with all pots and pans and rice cookers and forks and knives and everything underneath. Some nice pans and glassware and all this stuff. Refrigerator.
Is it plugged in?
Little sitting there. The what?
Is it plugged in?
Yeah, it's plugged in. And then little drop-off area in here. And I'll show you Katie and Govinda's room, or Govinda's room. Nice big bathroom for a change, right? And then this is a brand new building. So we got AC and heat if we need it. And then kind of a queen bed and a twin bed. TV. And then balcony. And then we'll go into where Katie and I will stay, or me when I snore. There's the bag, Donna. It came in handy. Thank you. And got a king-size bed. Again, TV, all sorts of storage space. So we can't wait. We can't wait to get unpacked, right? And AC. And vanity area, kind of a walk-in closet. Like,
your bathroom's so big.
I can put my sandals anywhere. I brought 2 sets of shoes, so I'm all set.
There you
And
go.
the bathroom. Oh, again, they got one of those tankless things, Katie. And then a nice sink, and it's a full service apartment.
It's called Soviet apartment.
Yeah, serviced apartment. So we got maids that come up. So we're scheduling like every other day or every third day or something. So that's a stupa on the other side of Phewa Lake. The lake is basically right behind those buildings. This side of the mountain range, that side of this white building here. And very cool little place right next door to us.
A little hazy today.
Yeah, it is a little hazy. That's Sarankot, where Govinda and Katie and I went paragliding. And then right behind that will be Fishtail, which I'll show you in another picture. But that's our next door neighbors. And this alley here is where I'm going to bring the motorcycle to park right down there. So yeah, we're on the 4th floor out of 6, and there's a rooftop laundry and drying area. So we're just happy as can be. Madhav took Govinda on his bike back to the shop, which is right around the corner. His shop, it's a grocery store. Katie and I are gonna get cleaned up and meet him over there. So this is it from Pokhara. We finally made it after a lot of aggravation. Over and out.